Let's use an Android smartphone to pair a Pulse Pro to the network via Wi-Fi. Before we begin, download and open the Acmeda app. Log in or create an account if needed. If prompted, ensure Bluetooth and location permissions are enabled. Alright, let's go. Connect the hub to a power outlet and confirm the indicator is blinking blue. Pulse Pro Hub is only compatible with 2.4 GHz networks. The Acmeda app has detected a new Pulse Pro Hub. Let's connect. Ensure your mobile device is connected to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Then enter your Wi-Fi password and press Next. Success! Your Pulse Pro is now paired to your network via Wi-Fi. Select Finish or optionally pair Shade. Your hub may update its firmware automatically after pairing if a new version is available. Access your Pulse Pro at any time via the app menu. If this was the first Pulse Pro paired to your home, a My Home location has been created, and your Pulse Pro has been named My House automatically. Both can be renamed later if needed. Didn't have a successful pair? Watch our troubleshooting video or alternatively contact our support team.